were partying pretty hard. And there was beer, and someone was passing around a joint, and there was cocaine.
Cocaine?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Anyway, our bedroom is in the downstairs, and the kids sleep upstairs, so Randy makes everyone leave around 2 o'clock or 3 a.m. And then she goes back to bed. So I go upstairs to check on the kids, and it's fucking freezing upstairs. But I can't use the central heat because it dries out Randy's sinuses and gives her really bad headaches. So I go downstairs and I put a fire in the fireplace and sit down and watch TV, but there's no more beer. I'm still jumping around like a jackrabbit, so put a couple fire logs in the fire and just to warm up the house while I was gone. And then I'm going to the mini-mart, but I'm too wasted and I don't want to drive. So I walk, it's about 20 minutes each way. I'm about halfway there. And I can't remember if I put a screen on the fireplace. But I figure it's okay. So I just keep going to the store. And that's it. The log must have rolled out onto the floor. And the fireman said they pulled Randy out. She passed out downstairs. And then the furnace blew. And they couldn't go back in again. And that's all I remember.
Okay, Lee, that's all for now. We'll call you if anything else comes up we want to ask you about.
Assuming the forensics bail you out, which, assuming they will.
So what? That's it?
Look, Lee, you made a horrible mistake, like a million other people did last night. I'm not gonna crucify you. It's not a crime to forget to put the screen on the fireplace.
So I can go?
If something comes up we don't already know about, yeah.
You got anyone to give you a ride back home? Is Joe here? Is your dad here?
Yeah.
Okay.